A very good morning class. I hope you all are going through the videos, and as you all know, I have already started with the lesson number 7, that is correspondence with debenture holder, and we have already finished two types of specimen letters. So please keep practicing that letters 2 to 3 times. And as you all know, we are continuing with the specimen letter, and today we will be starting the third one. So what are the letters we are completed, will be just take a quick look about it. So the first letter we finished was informing the participant about allotment of debenture. Then we saw informing them about the payment of interest. By two way the company does this, by interest warrant, and next is electronic payment of interest. Now class, today our focus will be third type of letter, that is conversion of debenture into equity share. So this topic we already covered when we learn about type of debenture. So in that topic we saw which type of debenture can be converted into equity shares. Do you all remember? If you not, then listen to the next question coming in the front of you and try to recall it. Okay, so the first question is, this is a revision question, you have to recall the answer of that. Okay, first one, what are the type of debentures? Second, what type of debentures can be changed into equity shares? Next, what is one of the requirement for conversion of debentures into equity shares? So let's come to the first question answer. First answer, what are the different type of debentures class? So secured, unsecured, convertible, non-convertible, participating, non-participating, redeemable and non-redeemable debenture. So class, can you tell me among all these type of debenture, which type of debenture can be changed into equity shares? Correct. The answer is convertible debenture. This is the answer of second question. Okay. So next one is third. For this class, what is the question? What is one of the requirement for conversion of debenture into equity shares? So there is, for this class, board of director of company has to get approval from the shareholder by passing special resolution in extraordinary general meeting. Alright class, so with this certain question, I hope you all have got the base what type of topic we are covering today. So here come to the topic, conversion of debentures. So convertible debentures are the debentures which are converted into equity shares of the expiry of specific period and at the specific rate mentioned in the term of issue. After receiving letter of option, the secretary send letter information the debentures holder that the debentures are converted into equity shares. It also states that the share certificate will be issued to them in due course, or it may be sent along with his letter. So class, as you all know, the debentures are getting converted into equity share. So basically the company will have also issue the share certificate to the members. The company has to get the approval of the shareholder by passing a special resolution in board in extraordinary general meeting for conversion of debenture into equity shares. After receiving approval, the company send letter of conversion to debenture holder, a conversion of debenture to the debenture holder. Okay. So class, this is the topic that we are going to start study, and we will be see how the letter is written by the secretary to the member informing them about the conversion of debentures in the equity share. So this is the letter class. Okay. So you can see the name of the company written on the top, Krishna Electronics. Limited, the address along with the CIN number. Then on the first hand side, on the first left hand side, there is a phone number, fax number, reference number, K for Krishna, okay, it is the initial of Krishna, K. उसके बाद दिया है DH, DH means debenture holders, 31 means it is a serial number, okay, it is a serial number of the letter, and 1920 it is a year, ये year है, ठीक है. उसके बाद on the right hand side, date indicated on which date letter is written. So in this case the letter is written on 5th June 2019. It also contains website and email address, okay. Then it is written to the Mr. it is written to the Mr. Mahesh Malpani. His residential address is given over here. Then the subject is conversion of debentures into equity shares. Okay, dear sir, I am directed to inform you that in accordance with the terms decided at the time of issue of 1,10% fully convertible debentures, the debentures are due for conversion in accordance with the above. A special resolution was passed by the shareholder in the extraordinary general meeting held on 25th May 2019 for approval of conversion of debentures into equity shares in the ratio of 2:1. As per your letter of option, you have been allotted 50 equity shares in lieu of 100 debentures. Okay, so basically class, this is how the letter is written by the secretary. So the secretary is telling that he or she is directed to inform you that at the time of issue of 1,10% fully convertible debentures, the debentures is due for conversion for this special resolution which is passed in extraordinary general meeting which was held on 25th May 2019. And what was decided was the debentures will be converted into equity share in the ratio of 2:1. So as per the letter of option, Mr. Mahesh Malpani has been allotted for 50% equity share in lieu of 100 debentures. So for every one debenture, the debenture will be converted into equity share in the ratio of 2:1. So for 100 debentures, Mr. Malpani has been allotted 50 equity share for lot of 100 debentures. Okay, the details of your holding after conversion are as follows. So first one is folio number, that is 465. Then second, number of debenture held, that is 100 debentures. Next again, number of equity share issue to Mr. Mahesh is 50 because the ratio is 2:1. Distinctive numbers from 501 to 550. So the lot is 501 to 550 shares have been distributed to Mr. Mahesh. The share certificate number is 2219. Okay, so it is duly signed and executed share certificate is enclosed here along with the letter. The debenture certificate will be null and void with the effect from 25th May 2019. So now as a debenture are converted into equity share. मतलब क्या, तो आपका जो डिबेंचर है वो इक्विटी शेयर में अभी क्या हो रहा है, तो कन्वर्ट हो रहा है. मिस्टर महेश के कितने शेयर्स थे, 100 डिबेंचर्स थे, बराबर है. एज पर 2:1 रेशियो, मतलब दो डिबेंचर का कितना शेयर मिलेगा, 2 डिबेंचर के ऊपर 1 इक्विटी शेयर मिलेगा. तो एज पर दैट रूल, एज पर दैट रेशियो, हमें अगर हमारे 100 डिबेंचर्स है तो हमें कितने डिबेंचर्स मिलेंगे, कितने शेयर्स मिलेंगे, कितने इक्विटी शेयर्स मिलेंगे, तो 50 इक्विटी शेयर्स, बराबर है. सो अगर हमारे डिबेंचर्स, हमारे 100 डिबेंचर्स 50 इक्विटी शेयर्स में क्या हो रहे हैं, कन्वर्ट हो रहे हैं. सो नाउ मिस्टर महेश इज नॉट डिबेंचर होल्डर. उसके डिबेंचर किस में कन्वर्ट हो गए, इक्विटी शेयर में कन्वर्ट हो गए. सो वो अभी हमारे डिबेंचर होल्डर है क्या? नहीं, तो वो अभी क्या हो गए? तो इक्विटी शेयर होल्डर. सो ही बिकम अ शेयर होल्डर ऑफ द कंपनी एंड नाउ डिबेंचर सर्टिफिकेट हैज नो वैल्यू बिकॉज नाउ शेयर सर्टिफिकेट विल बी इशू. तो उसके डिबेंचर अभी इक्विटी शेयर में कन्वर्ट हो गए, तो उसके डिबेंचर सर्टिफिकेट को कोई वैल्यू रहेगा क्या? नहीं. तो उसको अभी क्या इशू किया जाएगा? शेयर सर्टिफिकेट. So debenture certificate will be null and void. That means it will be on use because debentures are converted into equity share. You are faithfully for Krishna Electronics Limited, signed by Mr. Nitin Saraf, who is company secretary, enclosure, share certificate. So this way the letter is written, what is being decided in the meeting and which lot to which lot has been given is mentioned in like this. So I hope class you all have followed the letter and given all the letter are very easy. All the letters are brief. Sorry, all the letters are in a brief way. Conciseness is follow and these letters are to the point. Other information, unnecessary information यहाँ पे ऐड नहीं है. देखो सारे के सारे लेटर्स टू द पॉइंट जा रहे हैं, कोई भी अननेसेसरी इंफॉर्मेशन ऐड नहीं है. तो आपको ऐसे ही लेटर आपके एग्जाम में लिखने हैं. सो विद दिस थर्ड लेटर letters is get completed over here. So class, till then you have to keep practicing each letter 2 to 3 times in your notebook as a homework, and if any doubt please let me know. Thank you so much.